make sure that you read through the documents so that you have got a clear understanding of what's required when you come to mastering the tendering process. And the only way you can master this is by doing it. Okay, the more you do, the stronger you're going to get. Like with me, when I started, over 30 years ago, I got stronger each one I kept applying for, because I knew what they were looking for. I did my research. I read all of their information. I spoke with the councils. I even called and asked a simple question as to something which I didn't quite understand. So it's okay for you to approach them and ask that question, but check the questions section first, because the answer could have been answered in there as well. So I wanted to reach out to you and talk to you about how you can get contracts by learning how to master these contracts. How can you learn if you don't try? You got to learn how to master tender writing strategies for your healthcare, home care, recruitment, nursing agency business.